Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and we are doing Recipes Test-tober, and today I'm gonna be testing out a baked pumpkin donut recipe. I got this from laurainthekitchen.com and the link will be down in the bottom below. This is one that I've been dying to make ever since I got my donut pans in the summer, and I'll link a couple of my donut recipes that I've already done. But if you are curious to see how these incredible looking donuts turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So for my dry ingredients, I got my flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt, and pumpkin pie spice, and mix that all together. And then for my wet ingredients, I got brown sugar and white sugar and mix those together just to get the lumps out of the brown sugar. My pumpkin puree and vanilla, and that's butter, not eggs. Then my eggs, melted butter and 2 eggs. And mix that until it was all combined, and poured that into my dry ingredients and mixed that a little bit, and I could tell I needed some milk, so I poured some in and mixed it together and just mixed it all until it was all donut dough, and then poured it into a just like a Ziploc bag. I don't use pastry bags, and put all the donut mixture in there. It's cute, Remy. And then sprayed my donut pans with nonstick spray. And then poured my donut mixture into my donut pans. And then baked them and made a cinnamon sugar topping. Dumped out my donuts, and while they were still warm, I brushed them with melted butter and dipped them in the cinnamon sugar. But I learned it was much faster just to dunk it in the butter than dunk it in the sugar.
Okay, so the donuts are done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Oh my God, these are perfect. The crunch from the cinnamon sugar is just enough, and I'm really glad that it's cinnamon sugar and not pumpkin pie spice, because I feel like if it was, it just would have taken it a little bit too over the edge of that. This is phenomenal. This is a light and cakey donut, which is how I prefer mine. These are definitely a winner. 10 out of 10. They're super easy, super quick, and they're phenomenal. So Laura Vitale, thanks for this recipe. All right, so that's it for this recipe for Recipes Test-tober. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give me a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.